Okay, this video is about vector cellular mastoids. I made up the word mastoids, which is defined as cells, polymers, atoms, molecules, and even energy, and even particles, like subatomic particles, quantum particles. So mastoids basically covers everything in life, in the world, in the universe. But a mastoid can be also considered a type. So it could be any kind of mastoid, like a cellular mastoid, which could mean it could be a group of cells or something, a particle within a cell. That would be a cellular mastoid. So, like, there's two methods for healing in medicine. There is the Frankenstein method, where you build organs in a lab and you replace them, even the brain, where you can cut out cancer, genetically modify and rebuild a human body bit by bit with equipment, very advanced technology and science. Okay, that's the Frankenstein method. But if you did have to rebuild your entire body, you would no longer remember who you are, and you would be like being reborn. So Frankenstein rebirth happens. Then there's the other part. Then there's regenerative medicine, okay, with stem cell therapy and differentiated cells, and how that works with the body. This is the other theory. This is the other method, using pluripotent stem cells. And you can also study, like in a lab, you can study how stem cells flow through the system and how they repair. Basically, that would be a form of medical histology. Medical histology and pathology, and then also physiology. So you would combine all those sciences with any kind of medical procedure. And then also considerably it is a form of surgery which occurs more naturally. So basically, I think I'm going to call this video Regenerative Medicine Defined. But basically, like, there's many ways to heal tissues and different parts of the body with stem cells and things like that. But some parts of the body, it may be more difficult. We're not sure of the vectorization of how and when a stem cell, if it can actually flow through the body, especially being pluripotent, if it can flow through the body and actually hit the target. We want it to hit the target and renew that cell at that location. And this is where I come up with vector cellular mastoid. Okay, your vectors and your cellulars and your mastoids have a target. And that's what a vector does. It hits a target. So basically, that's pretty much what this is about, are the vectors. The whole scenario is about putting vectors in their place. If you can replace any vector with the appropriate vector, basically you can heal anything. That is the goal, to heal anything. Put your vectors where they belong.